This is the DJI OM4, a smartphone gimbal designed to make your phone videos smoother and easier to control. Welcome to Guide Station. In this video, I'll focus on the actual buttons, controls, and the DJI Mimo app, so you'll know how this gimbal works before deciding if it's right for you. If you want to grab this exact DJI OM4, the link is down in the description. The DJI OM4 is a 3-axis smartphone gimbal, so its main job is to stabilize your phone while filming. But what I like about it is that most of the important controls are already built into the handle, so you don't always need to touch your phone screen. Let's start with the M button. When the gimbal is off, pressing it once checks the battery level. To turn the DJI OM4 on, press and hold the M button until it powers up. When it's already on, pressing the M button once switches between photo and video mode. Pressing it twice switches between landscape and portrait mode, which is very useful if you shoot both horizontal YouTube videos and vertical content for Reels or TikTok. Next is the joystick. This lets you control the phone's movement. Moving it left and right pans the phone, while moving it up and down tilts it. This is helpful when you want smooth movements for product shots, travel clips, or simple cinematic shots without moving your whole hand too much. This button here is the shutter and record button. Press it once to take a photo or start and stop recording. It's simple, but it makes filming easier because you don't need to tap the screen every time. On the side, you have the zoom slider. Push it toward T to zoom in and toward W to zoom out. This is useful if you want a slow zoom while filming, especially for product videos or quick creative shots. This is useful if you want a slow zoom while filming, especially for product videos or quick creative shots. I wouldn't overuse it, but it's nice to have a physical zoom control. At the back, you have the trigger, and this is probably one of the most useful controls on the DJI OM4. Press and hold the trigger to enter lock mode, where the gimbal keeps the phone locked in one direction. Press it twice to recenter the gimbal, which is very useful when the phone is no longer facing forward. You can also press the trigger once to start or stop ActiveTrack 3.0, which lets the gimbal follow a subject automatically. For ports, the DJI OM4 has a USB-C port for charging. It also has a USB-A port, so the gimbal can work like a small power bank for your phone. At the bottom, there's also a 1/4-inch tripod mount, so you can attach it to a tripod for time-lapse, talking videos, or hands-free shooting. To use more features, you'll want to download the DJI Mimo app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play Store. After downloading the app, turn on Bluetooth, open DJI Mimo, and connect to the device with the OM4 name. The first time you use it, you may need to activate the gimbal through the app. Inside the DJI Mimo app, you get access to features like ActiveTrack 3.0, hyperlapse, time-lapse, dynamic zoom, panorama, and story mode. ActiveTrack is useful if you're filming yourself or another person. You can drag a box around the subject and the gimbal will try to keep them in frame. You can also adjust gimbal settings inside the app like follow mode, joystick speed, zoom speed, and other camera settings. So while the buttons are already useful, the DJI Mimo app gives you more creative control. In real use, the DJI OM4 is great for smoother walking shots, vlogs, product videos, and simple content creation. The buttons make it faster to operate, and the app gives you extra shooting modes without needing complicated gear. The only small downside is that you need a little time to memorize the button shortcuts, especially the trigger controls. But after using it a few times, it becomes easy. Overall, the DJI OM4 is a good fit for vloggers, content creators, travelers, and anyone who wants smoother phone videos with better control. If this looks like a good fit, you can grab the DJI OM4 through the link in the description. That's my hands-on review of the DJI OM4. It stands out because of the stabilization, physical controls, magnetic mounting, and the DJI Mimo app. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you next time.